Is it possible to get to 150K a month as a developer or marketer? In the previous video in this series below, I covered how to get to $50,000. You can go watch it below if you don't know the process yet. It'll make it a lot easier to follow this video. So 150K per month is a whole different animal, and I'll give you our secret sauce on how to do this. I've done this over 11 years, and I've helped over 1,000 people get to really good numbers in business, quit their job, and really focus full-time on business. So I might know something about this, so you should keep listening. So the real question is, do you actually want this? Because a 50K a month business, it can be relatively low stress. 150K a month business is not going to be low stress. But there is a trade-off. If you're very good at setting up deals and very good at hiring and very good at sales, then it could sometimes, for some people, be lower stress to make more money than less money, because you'll be able to afford to work with better people who just take responsibility from you and just handle stuff for you. So you don't have to babysit every process in your business. That's what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking about the exact process, our secret sauce, and how to get to 150K. So continuing on from the 50K business, we're basically building an agency. We're building a business that delivers a service, and the service is marketing or development services. And this is good for cash flow. It's a cash flow business. The profit margin should be 50%. If it's below 50%, it's not really worth running. It's better to even get a job in some cases if it's below 50%. But the idea is, and it works this way, you build an agency, you have a 50% profit margin. So it's good for cash flow. It's good for learning business, good for learning sales, good for learning hiring and other skills. But agencies have limitations. People that I've worked have gotten agencies to 500K plus per month, but I don't currently recommend this. I recommend getting it to 150K and reinvesting the money in other businesses, or just in the stock market, whatever you might be interested in investing. It's not really what I'm here to tell you what to do with your money. So is it worth it overall? Should you do this? I would say yes, for many people who are very serious about business. If you're very serious, you want to make this your long-term commitment for 20 plus years, it's worth building the agency, and it's worth getting to 150K per month. So continuing on from the 50K process, we stopped there in the previous video. Now we're going to continue on. Here's what to do. The business model from now on is based on white labeling. It doesn't mean you white label yourself. It means instead of working with freelancers, instead of building a team, you can fire everyone. Everyone from your team can be fired. It sounds crazy. How are you going to grow your business if everyone from your team is fired? Well, instead of doing this, you become the person who makes deals with agencies. So you work with agencies, and they're your delivery partners. And they are white labeled under you, which means they use your business name, they do support, project management, everything under your name. They don't exist in the eyes of the client. You own the client in the sense that you own the upsells. They cannot sell to the client. They cannot tell them they're running a different agency. They're running an agency, and they are white labeling their service to your agency. So everything is done under your agency name, and you own everything. So that means you will be able to do business with this client forever, and you can always replace the white label partner if they don't like the deal later on. That's the secret sauce. You basically work with zero staff, and instead you white label everything. All the delivery is white labeled. You, as the agency owner, you're still going to be responsible for sales, lead generation, making the deals and maintaining the deals with the white label partners, keeping the 50% profit margin, everything like that. But you're not responsible for project management, delivery, and so on, as I said already 3 times. So this is not easy for everyone. This is not like, oh, why can't I just do this? No. This is for people who are good at business. They made it to 50K first per month using the old-fashioned way where they build teams, they do sales themselves, they do project management themselves. But beyond that, you're going to have to be very good at dealing with people in business and judging their character to see if they're going to screw you over. Because once you start handing over clients for someone else to manage with their business using your name, you better know that you can trust them, because if you can't, you know what can happen. That is why this is not for beginners. However, the benefit, huge benefit, is no team, as I said before, and also you can offer many services. You can offer development services, you can offer marketing services, creative services. It doesn't really matter how many services you offer, because you don't have to do delivery. You just have to understand the service enough to get the sale. And again, this is not easy. You can't just like pretend to know stuff. You have to still no sales, no business, know how the delivery works and the service. You need to understand it quite well. You need to understand like 50% of the service to be able to deliver it. You cannot just make shit up and just hand it over to some other agency. It's not that easy, but it's a lot easier than building teams and processes all by yourself and then managing the processes and then paying all the salaries. It's easier than that, in my opinion, past 50K a month. And that is the most legit agency business model in the world that I'm aware of. It is the best. It is the highest profit margin. It is the most scalable. And once you hit 150K a month, use the money and the contacts you've made to build other businesses or reinvest the money in some other way. That is what I recommend. That is how you get to 150K. And also, if you reinvest it correctly, you can get beyond 150K per month. You could also choose to scale past 150K a month, but not my current recommendation. So in the video below, let's talk about funnels. Let's talk about how to get started and so on. If you need help, go to businessmeta.com and you can reach out to me. We can have a chat. See you in the next video below.